Hello everyone, welcome to App Inquiry. Today we are going to review an app called as Series Guide. This is being developed by Outman. This is being rated 4.3 on the Play Store. This helps us keep a track of all the TV shows that we watch regularly. This even gives us brief description about each episode in the TV show, in the seasons whichever we watch, and even we can schedule our TV shows of watching. And you can also create watch list for the movies whichever whenever your friends or relatives recommend. Instead of keeping a track of reminders or things like that, you can add to a watch list. And even they have bunch of additional features like supporting for home and lock screen of Android, and they have Android Gear support, and even you will get new episode notifications, and they are moving even towards a material design. Let's get to the app in detail. So open up Play Store. Now search for the app Series Guide. This was the app I was talking about. Open it and install it. Open up the app and you can see I have already subscribed some of the TV shows, and you can add TV shows by tapping that button. And here you can see the trending TV shows. Here you can search for if any TV shows available, or else if you have to go through many of those, you can search for them. That would be the easiest one. So see, if I now add this to the TV show, and so see it gets added up. And like how you can add as many TV shows as you want, and you can favorite up your TV shows if you want, and you have many features like watch next episode, like that. You can favorite it, hide it, or even manage, update or remove. And even you can search by different criterias by your favorite TV shows and unwatched, upcoming, and many others, and sort it also. And if you slide from the left side, you can find so many tabs. In the movies tab, you can add up all the movies if you want to add it as a watch list. So just go there, go to the particular movie which you want. See, here you can even find the cast, crew, and even comment sections, and just tap this button to add to watch list. And the most striking feature is this, the statistics, which gives you the total number of TV shows which you have subscribed, and in the TV show total number of episodes in all the TV seasons that combined with each TV shows, and movies if you are subscribed many. And this gives you the sum up, and you can also see here the number of TV episodes which you have watched, and the pending ones are here. And see, this is one of the striking. And in settings you will find many other features. So the subscription service is available in the with the X feature. So you can get the X feature for 169 Indian rupees per year, and you have a 30-day trial which you can try, and if you feel worth it, you can definitely go ahead and subscribe for that this thing. You get even app themes and all for each this thing, and you can also hide or hide special episodes here, which you can see. You can block data usage by checking that. That's all about it. Thank you. If you like our video, just hit the like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. And thank you for watching.